Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this eye zoom transition effect in CapCut PC. So you can just add two clips into the CapCut PC like this. And then here on the first clip, you just need to move the playhead into where you want the transition to start. So let's see it. I'm going to start here and then click on freeze, click on the clip and click on freeze, this one, and delete the rest of the clip. And after that, on the first freeze frame, you can just add two keyframes, add the transform in here. So let's click on the freeze frame, this one, or add the transform, the one at the start and the other one at the end. And at the end of the freeze frame, you just need to have a zoom in effect by adjusting the scale, but make sure that the eye is still visible at the center like this. Okay, I already adjust the scale into 100 and 1000 and 1500, and now what you need to do is add a second video as overlay. So put it where the freeze frame start. Let's see, here, put it in here like this, and then after that, on the overlay, go to mask, click on this and go to mask and choose circle, and in here move the masking to where the eye is. Sorry, you need to add a masking first. I forgot to add a keyframe at here. So let's adjust it again, the size. Okay, let's do it again. You can just move the playhead and adjust the size of the mask along with it. Just do it slowly. Okay, I've already added until the last frame on the first clip in here. You can stop adding a keyframe after that in here. And this is the eye zoom transition. Let's play it from here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.